Hi everyone, are you struggling to create monetizable quiz videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts? Don't have the time to make videos like this one? Don't worry, stick around because today I'm revealing some very powerful tools that will help you create faceless content and quiz videos in just a few clicks. Welcome to this step-by-step guide where I'll show you exactly how to make quiz videos like the ones that go viral on TikTok and YouTube. And yes, people are earning thousands of dollars by uploading these kinds of videos on YouTube and TikTok. In this video, I'll walk you through two methods. First, we'll explore a manual method using Canva, which gives you complete control over every element. Then I'll introduce you to a paid, faster, and automated method using Vsub.io, which uses AI tools to speed up the entire process by 10 times. You can follow along step by step, and I'll even share a referral link for Vsub.io in the video description so you can unlock premium features and get started right away. Let's jump right in and create some awesome quiz videos. To create engaging multiple choice quiz videos, we'll start by generating trivia questions using ChatGPT. You can use the following prompt in ChatGPT. In this example, the topic is movies, but you can easily change it to other subjects such as sports or world capitals. Just replace the word movie in the prompt with your preferred topic and ChatGPT will generate relevant questions accordingly. This method helps create engaging content that you can edit using Canva. Now we'll create the quiz video using Canva. First, log into Canva and search for TikTok video in the search bar to find the right size template. Select a blank template with a size of 1080 by 1920 pixels, which is the standard size for TikTok videos. The default background will be white, so click on it, go to the color option at the top, and change the color from white to black. Next, go to the Elements tab from the left sidebar and search for keywords like time-lapse, nature, abstract, or motion background to find a suitable background video. For this tutorial, I'm using a time-lapse video. Drag and drop the background video onto the canvas so that it fills the entire frame automatically. After that, select the background video and use the transparency option, which is the grid icon at the top toolbar, to adjust it to around 50 to 51%. Now go to the Text tab from the left sidebar, select Heading, and position it at the top of the template for your quiz question. Click on the text box and type Question. You can customize the font style. For this example, I'm using the League Spartan font for a bold, modern look. To make the text pop, go to the Effects option in the top toolbar and choose the Outline effect. Set the outline color to black to ensure visibility against the background video. Now we'll create the answer options. Duplicate the question text by right-clicking on the text box and selecting Duplicate, or you can press Ctrl+D. You will need 3 text boxes for the answer options, 1 for the correct answer and 2 for the incorrect ones. Adjust the font size so the answers are smaller but still readable. Position the answer text boxes in a clean layout such as at the bottom or middle of the screen, ensuring they are well spaced and easy to read. Now we need to add a timer. Go to the Canva search bar and search for timer. You'll find options under the graphics and video sections. Pick whichever one you like and add it to the template. For example, I find this one suitable, so I'm adding this timer clock to the template. Next, crop the timer video and place it below the correct answer. Now change the color of the correct answer to green. Finally, we need to set the duration for these elements. Click on any element and select Show Timing. This will display the time duration for all elements at the bottom. Adjust their timings properly to ensure everything flows smoothly. Now we need to display an image related to the answer in the video. For that, go to the Canva search bar and type Rectangle Outline. Then go to the Frame section and select any rectangle frame you like. For example, I'm selecting a rounded rectangle frame, position it in the center and change its outline color. After that, place the correct answer below the frame. Now it looks good. Now we need to add animation to all these elements. Select any element, click on the Animate option in the top corner, and step by step, apply animations to all the elements. Now we need to add sound effects related to these elements. First, select the timer and type Kitchen Timer 2 in the Canva search bar. You'll find the relevant sound effect, so add it according to the timer and set its duration accordingly. Similarly, search for pop cork for the question, add it, and adjust it accordingly. For the options, search for tap and add the relevant sound. Lastly, for the answer, search for bell ring idea and add the appropriate sound effect. Now we need to add images related to the answers. You have two options. First, you can use AI-generated images, or second, you can manually download images from Google. Let's discuss how to generate images using AI first. For AI images, you can use various tools, but I'll tell you about Leonardo AI. First, you need prompts for the images. Go to ChatGPT and type a prompt asking for AI images related to the answers. ChatGPT will generate a prompt for you. Next, go to Leonardo AI, click on Image Creation, and paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. You'll receive AI-generated images like the one you can see here. You can generate the remaining images in the same way. The second option is to download images from Google. First, copy the answer keyword and paste it into Google Search. You'll find plenty of images that you can download. Here, you can see that I have downloaded all the images. Some are AI generated and some are downloaded from Google. Now we need to upload these images to Canva. Select all the images and drag and drop them into Canva to start the upload process. I will explain how to automatically add these images to the template shortly. Now we need to create multiple videos with just a few clicks, which we call Canva bulk creation. To do this, first go to ChatGPT, select and copy the tabular data, then go to Canva, navigate to the apps section, and click on bulk creation. After that, right-click on Enter Data manually to open the form. First, clear any existing data and paste the new data. After doing this, we need to add images next to all the questions. Click on Add Image in the top corner, and an image column will be added. Now, step by step, add the relevant images next to each question. Once all the images are added, click on Done. Next, we need to connect this data with the template elements. Start by connecting the data with the questions, then with the options, the correct answers, and finally the images to their respective frames. When everything is correctly set up, click on Generate. This will open a new tab with all the videos containing the data. After that, there may be some alignment issues, so adjust those as needed. Once everything looks good, we need to download the videos. To do this, click on the Share button, where you will find the Download option. Click on it and the videos will start downloading. Now we need to add AI voiceovers to these videos. For voiceovers, you can use 11 Labs. Simply go to 11 Labs, paste your script, choose any voiceover artist, and click the Generate button. You will then receive your voiceover. Just click the Download button to download the voiceover. In the end, import all the videos and voiceovers into CapCut. Adjust the voiceovers according to the videos and set them properly. After doing all this, you can export the video. This is how our video will be created.
Let's see how well you know your movies. Question number 1, Jack Sparrow's movie? 1, The Dark Knight. 2, Pirates of the Caribbean. 3, Avengers, Endgame. The correct answer is Pirates of the Caribbean. Next up, who directed Inception? 1, Christopher Nolan. 2, Steven Spielberg. 3, Quentin Tarantino. The correct answer is Christopher Nolan.
As I mentioned earlier, here's a bonus tip that will be very useful for creating quiz videos. Canva offers beautiful and attractive pre-made templates specifically designed for quiz videos, which you can easily use. First, go to the Canva homepage and in the search bar, type TikTok video. Scroll down and at the bottom, you'll find the Quiz TikTok video option. Click on it and a new tab will open. Go to the design section where you'll see many pre-made quiz video templates. These templates can make your work much easier. The second method for creating quiz videos is automatic, less time-consuming, but it is paid. Many creators are using this method to produce YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos and are earning thousands of dollars. Let me introduce you to Vsub.io, which works like magic for faceless content creation. Creating quiz videos manually with Canva takes time and effort, but with Vsub.io, you can get fast, high-quality results with AI power. With Canva, you manage everything: design, voiceovers, and subtitles yourself. However, Vsub.io offers AI voiceovers, automatic captions, and even AI-generated visuals, all within minutes. Want to try it yourself? Use my referral link in the YouTube description to unlock exclusive features and start creating amazing quiz videos today. Now let's briefly explore this further. As soon as you sign up on Vsub.io, you'll see an interface like this. Here you can explore multiple features such as creating brain teasers videos, text message stories, AI videos, and quiz videos, which is our main focus. Other features include creating Reddit story videos, auto caption videos, and more. Let's stick to our topic, quiz videos. Click on the quiz video option and a new interface will open. The first step is to select the language. You'll find multiple languages to choose from, but I'll select English. Here you'll see pre-made templates for quiz videos. I'm sure you've seen similar quiz videos on TikTok or YouTube. Many creators make them using this tool. There are two template options, standard and multi-level. Standard, this template is widely used. Multi-level, this divides quiz questions into 4 categories: easy, medium, hard, and expert. Choose the template that suits you. For this demonstration, I'll go with the standard template and show you how to use it. Once you select standard, you'll see 2 tabs below, questions and settings. In the questions tab, you can add questions either manually or generate them automatically with AI. The choice is yours. The settings tab offers several options. The first option is AI voice. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see 3 platforms for AI voiceovers: Amazon Poly, OpenAI, and 11 Labs. I'll choose 11 Labs for this demo. Alternatively, you can manually use a voiceover from 11 Labs by pasting the link to the audio, as shown in the example. Next to the voiceover option, you can click the settings icon to customize the voice settings according to your preference. Below that, you'll find a list of multiple voiceover artists. Pick any voice you like. Further down, you can manage background image settings. You can use AI-generated images as backgrounds, provide custom prompts or styles, or select your own background images. Additionally, you can enable AI-generated images related to the quiz questions. I hope this explanation makes it clear how to use the tool efficiently. Without wasting any time, let's generate the quiz video. First, click on the Generate Questions option at the top. Here, select the language for your quiz video, like English, and then add a topic. For example, I want to create a quiz video related to movies, but you can choose any topic you prefer. After clicking OK, you'll see that the tool has used AI to automatically generate 10 quiz questions related to movies. You can also add more questions or remove any if needed. Since I want the video to be under 1 minute, I'll remove a few questions to shorten it. Once you're satisfied with the questions, click the Continue button. Now the tool will begin generating the voiceover, AI images, and comments automatically. After this, you'll see 3 more tabs for further customization. In these tabs, you can change the font, style, and color of the questions, answers, and numbering. You also have the option to enable or disable shadows for the text. For the loading bar, you can adjust its color, add a shadow effect, or turn off the bar completely if you don't need it. In the Content tab, you can regenerate the voiceover if required and change the background image. Vsub automatically generates question images using AI, but if you want to use real images, you can download them manually. Simply copy the relevant keyword, such as the movie name or the correct answer, search for it on Google, and download the image to upload it to the quiz. I have already downloaded the question images, so now I need to upload them. To upload, simply click on the question image option and then select the upload option. From there, you can easily select and upload the relevant images. Alright, so I've uploaded all the images. Now review all the customizations again to make sure everything is correct. Once everything looks good, it's time to download the video. You'll find the download option in the top corner. Just click on it and the download process will begin, rendering the video. Okay, as you can see, the video is now rendered. At this point, we have 2 options. If you want to make further edits, click the edit button. However, since I've done everything correctly, I'll click on the download button and our video will start downloading. So, this is how our video has turned out. You can see it for yourself.
Who directed the movie The Shawshank Redemption? C. Frank Darabont. Which movie won the Academy Award for Best Picture in 2019? A. Parasite.
In conclusion, we've successfully created our quiz video using a combination of tools and methods. Whether you choose the manual approach or leverage automation with Vsub.io, both methods offer unique advantages. If you want to try Vsub.io yourself and unlock exclusive features, use my referral link in the YouTube description. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you create amazing content effortlessly. Good luck and happy creating!